In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create formulas in Excel and use built-in functions to quickly perform calculations and solve common problems. Formulas are the backbone of Excel. They let you combine values, reference cells, and have Excel do the math for you instantly and accurately. Let's start from the very beginning. Click any cell where you want your result to appear and type the equal sign. That equal sign tells Excel, I'm entering a formula. Without it, Excel treats what you type as plain text. After the equal sign, select a cell or type its reference manually. You'll see Excel highlight that cell in color, and the same color appears in your formula. This visual match is there to help you confirm you're pointing to the right place. Next, enter an operator. For example, use the minus sign for subtraction, then select another cell to complete the calculation. Excel will use a different color for this second cell, so you can easily track each part of your formula at a glance. When you're ready, press Enter. Excel calculates immediately and shows the result in the cell while keeping the underlying formula. If you ever need to review or edit it, look up at the formula bar at the top. You can click there to make changes, and when you press Enter again, Excel updates the result. Beyond basic math, Excel includes built-in functions that save time and reduce mistakes. To use one, select a cell and type an equal sign followed by a function name such as sum. Then type an opening parenthesis. Now select the range of cells you want to include. You can drag across a block of cells or hold and drag down a column. As you select, Excel highlights the range so you can confirm it's correct. Finish by closing the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel returns the final result and displays the function in the formula bar so you can see exactly what it did. If something doesn't look right, double-check your cell references and make sure your parentheses are opened and closed properly. Also remember, the colors in your formula help you visually verify each reference. And if you'd like hands-on practice with guided examples, Excel has a helpful template ready to go. Open the File menu, choose New, and search for the Formula Tutorial template. It walks you through real scenarios so you can build confidence step by step. That's it. You've created a formula, used a function, and learned how to review and edit your work. Keep practicing, and these skills will quickly become second nature.